You goddamn cheeky bastard! I will chase you to the end, bitch! I will tear that tailgate right off your ass! Come here, you bastard! Who the fuck is controlling this? I will fucking bite their finger off! Come here, you fucking bastard! I will fucking kill you! Come here, you bitch! Oh my fucking god! Come here, you motherfucker! Yes, come here! Stop running around, you little bitch! I got fucking pissed at this! So I was like, who the fuck did this? I was fucking pissed! Then I fucking realized something. They always sleep, and I can bite every finger off.